How to make your phone screen stay on longer. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can make your phone screen stay on longer. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. So to make your phone screen stay on a bit longer, what you'll need to do is, it's really simple. You just need to tweak some settings. Now, first step is heading over to your settings. So find your settings app, open it up. After you are on your settings, you can scroll down and you should find an option called display and brightness. Head over there. After you are on display and brightness, scroll down and you should find an option called auto lock. Now what this feature does is that it locks your screen after a certain amount of time. Now to make your phone screen stay on longer, you'll just need to increase the time for auto lock. So as you can see right there, there are different time frames here: 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, up to 5 minutes. Now if you want your screen to obviously get locked after a short amount of time, you can select 1 minute or 30 seconds, even 2 minutes. But if you want it to stay on longer, you can either choose 4 minutes or 5 minutes. Now if you do not want your screen to get locked at all, you can simply choose the never option. Now as it gives you a warning right here, your iPhone may use more energy with this setting. So just choose whichever setting you think is good for you and just set it there, and yeah, we are basically good to go. Now your phone screen will stay on a bit longer. Thanks for watching guys, that is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.